Can't see yourself or others on Zoom? Yeah, your video isn't showing, and it can be super frustrating mid-meeting. Don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through step by step how to fix Zoom video not showing issues in 2026. First, open Zoom and click the arrow next to the video icon. Make sure the correct camera is selected. Sometimes Zoom defaults to a virtual camera or a disabled device. Next, go to Zoom video settings and check the preview. If it's still black or frozen, switch to another camera option and test again. If Zoom still can't show video, your system might be blocking access. On Windows, go to Privacy Arrow Camera and allow Zoom. On macOS, go to System Settings, Arrow Privacy and Security Arrow Camera, and enable Zoom. Sometimes another app like Teams, Skype, or a browser is already using the camera. Close these apps, then reopen Zoom. If you're using an external webcam, make sure the cable is securely plugged in. For built-in cameras, ensure nothing is covering the lens. Yeah, it sounds simple, but it solves a lot of problems. Make sure Zoom is up to date. Also, update your camera drivers on Windows or macOS. Outdated software can prevent video from showing properly. If video still isn't showing, restart Zoom or even your computer. This refreshes the camera connection and usually fixes the issue. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes video not showing in Zoom. Try them in order and you'll be visible clearly in your next meeting.